Now, while during that file reading, we see that we have that write permission also. That's mean we can add it in that particular file. So when we see that shadow, and we can see that password, and if I want to like if I have permission to edit this file, so obviously I can replace this password with my that new password. So don't need to that crack with any that John the Ripper or that hideout like with any tool. So for creating that password, there's a command which is mk password. And yeah, here we have to that mention that method. So during that John the Ripper, we can see like we like check there is that SHA-512 that method or encryption method. So just enter that SHA-512, and generally uh, that used by that shadow file now, so it's used that generally that SHA-512, and we can add that let's say new password. So when we hit enter, so we'll get that password. So just copy this password, and for edit this the etc shadow, just go to that nano etc and then shadow. Now we can replace this password, our new password, from to that old password. So this is that write file permissions for that etc shadow.